Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So I've talked a lot about government when it comes to doing services, but there is a big market for selling government school supplies and supplies. Now, I mean, cleaning supplies to schools. This is a big, big, big market. And one of the great things is right now is towards the end of the fiscal year. Anyone that's been with government, they know this is the countdown. So this is a time where a lot of agencies have the use or lose budget, and they're spending like crazy. They really are. And if you are in an area, I know I am like from Ohio, and when I go visit my mom, there's hardly nothing there in her area. But I know there are a lot of people in that area that make big money. Why? Because they do things outside of their area. So do not allow where you are to stop you from being able to get a piece of that $1 trillion government market. So what can you do? Well, the first thing is make sure you click that video if you want to know all about registering for SAMs, because you have to be registered for SAMs. Also, there are so many places that sell school supplies. One of them are all kinds of liquidations. You can go to Alibaba or look at, I've never used, but look at Gov Deals. It's called Gov Deals, and they have a lot of government equipment and supplies where you can get it very, very like a wholesale, and then you're able to make a profit by selling to the government. I can't begin to tell you, do not allow this time frame, this 30-minute when the government is buying like a frenzy, and a lot of them are buying for schools because a lot of students are going back. If you do not have any money in your area, the first thing is registering for SAMs. The second thing is finding one of those cleaning supplies. Just Google cleaning supplies for liquidations, equipment or supplies. Then what you want to do is you want to start reaching out. Don't look at going the bidding area way where you're looking for a bid. Go ahead and reach out to these government agencies. Remember, we talked about having the 3 that are always looking to purchase, and reach out to them, reach out to the government agencies like Homeland Security or Veteran Affairs. A lot of those areas, GSA, reach out to the OSDBUs. That way you're letting them know that you have got some government supplies and equipment that you want to talk to them about providing. You'd be surprised. They know someone that knows someone that knows someone that they can get in touch with you and send you to the right person. Because remember, the goal is to build that golden relationship where even if they don't need it, they are downloading your CAPE statement, sending it to someone that they know that do need what you have. So do not allow the location to make any difference. The other thing is they are starting not to require any of the mandates for the vaccination. They're kind of easing up on the mandates for having to have the vaccination. So that's a big thing. Also, we are having our quarterly summit, traffic summit, tomorrow on our Facebook Live. And it's going to be from 10 to 11:30. I'm going to talk all about what you need to do to get the private traffic. Great detail. And then we're going to take lunch. And then we're going to be back again, and we're going to do it again from 1 to 2:30. And that's going to be all about government. And I'm going to really break down the validation with the SAMs, what's changed, what to expect, what to happen when you have to fill out that incident report, and so much more. So if you want to know what you can do for this complimentary, no cost, what you need to do to come aboard, just simply click in the resources. I'm going to have exactly what you need to do. It's going to be on our Facebook tomorrow, live Q&A sessions. Make sure you definitely click to join, because this is a great time. If you haven't already, you can get registered. So I'm going to give you a lot of information to go step by step on what you need to do. And also, like I said, I'm going to go into everything from how to sell to the government for supplies, equipment, services. If you don't have any bids in your area, if you don't know where the bids are, all of that will be covered in this traffic summit. I'm going to do commercial and government, absolutely at no cost, complimentary, for making sure that you guys are, this is our last quarter. So we want to get up to what? six figures and beyond. Pow! And this is one way we're going to do that. I'm going to talk about what you need to do for no Facebook ads, like doing this organic, not spending any money when it comes to doing any lead generations. Now, of course, you're going to have to put some work into it, but what's not worth it if you don't have to put a little work into it, right? Right. So make sure you click the link to register for the free traffic summit tomorrow on our Facebook Live. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.